day is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case of which I'm certain. I live a life that's full. I travel each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did my regrets. I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without exemption. Started course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, and do it my way. Yes, there were times I should renew, when I bit off more than I could chew, but through it all, when there was doubt, I hit it up and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall and did it my way. I've loved and cried. I had my share of losing, and now as tears inside, I find all so amusing. To think I did all that, and may I say, I'll live my way, and no, not me, I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, when he has not to say the things he truly feels, and other words, someone who needs. The record shows I took the blows and did it my
Mga chips. Dami chichirino.
and did it